Okay, this lock is on the public mode, so you can't close the door. User can use any RFID card, close the door, and swipe the same card, open the lock. Now, I want to change this lock to be private mode. Then I will use this handset machine to set. Input the magic code into this handset machine. Setting. Choose unlock mode. Enable. Choose case. RFID. Finished. Back to menu. And then swipe this card on handset machine. It will be shows change lock mode card. So it means set the mode card successful. And then swipe this card on lock. This lock will be a mode card for this lock. Beep 3 means limited public mode. Beep 1 means public mode. Beep 2 means private mode. Okay, this is what I want. And then I will set the manager card, use this handset machine. Finished. Back to menu. Check. Manager RFID. Swipe this. The LED light will be flashing. So you can use a card. So this card will be this use card. Close. Open. And the other blank card. Only this user card can be opened. And the private mode, user input user card, open the lock. After 13 seconds, the lock will be closed automatically. User directly input the door to close. Don't needed swipe the card again. And then swipe the card. Open. After 13 seconds, will be closed automatically. Direct or push the door close. Other user card can't close the lock, open the lock. Only this card. And if you swipe the wrong card on lock for 5 times, it will be alarming. Yeah, I can say. Only can use the manage card to active. And then you can use the use code. Yes. I will set the lock to be limited public mode. Swipe this mode card. Beep 1, public mode. Beep 2, private mode. Beep 3, limited public mode, what I want. And then swipe the manage card to set user card. The LED ring will flashing. This card, user card. Swipe the card, open. Swipe again, close. Swipe the card, the lock will be open, and the lock will keep opening until you swipe the card again. Now we will set the time function 1. Set that the lock will be opened automatically after 8 second time. Now it's 10:46. We'll set to 48 clock. Setting. Open lock enable. Open lock time. Set RFID time. Reset this card to be a blank, and then set the time RFID card. Swipe this blank card. Finished. Back to manual. Time RFID card. Before you set this RFID, time RFID card, you need to make sure this card is a blank card. Swipe this card. Swipe use card, close the lock, and then swipe this time card. It will be this time opened automatically. One second. This time will be opened automatically. And now, so wait a second. Yes. Now we want to limit the usage time for this card. For example, we want to limit the usage time for 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. After this time, this lock will be invalid. Use this handset machine to set the limited RFID. Set 1 hour. set limit of the card. So with this user card, you can see this lock will be valued at 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, this card can't be used in this lock.